Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into the remarkable story of the UK fintech industry, the rise, the wealth, and the vital contribution to the British economy. So, how did the UK become a global fintech powerhouse? It didn't happen by accident. The rise can be traced to a powerful conjunction of factors. The ecosystem. London as a pre-existing global financial capital provided the talent, the capital, and the clients. We had the problem solvers and the problems to be solved all in one place. Secondly, supportive regulation. The UK Financial Conduct Authority (FCA) didn't just stand by. It actively fostered innovation through its regulatory sandbox. This allows startups to test their ideas with real consumer in a controlled environment without immediately facing the full burden of financial regulations. This was a game changer because it encouraged bold ideas and innovation. Furthermore, a culture of innovation from early disruptors like Monzo, Revolut, and Wise, a new standard was set because they focus on user-friendly apps, transparency, and solving real consumer pain points. For instance, foreign exchange. They prove there was a massive appetite for different ways of managing money. The evidence is in the numbers. According to Innovate Finance, the UK fintech industry attracted 5.1 billion in venture capital investments in the first half of 2024 alone. Wow, that is more than the next two European countries combined, cementing its position as the undeniable fintech leader in Europe. So we know it's a magnet for investment, but what is the industry actually worth? The figures are monumental. A landmark 2023 report by the City of London Corporation estimated the annual revenue of the UK fintech industry approximately by £20.5 billion. Let's put that into perspective. That is larger than the entire economic output of some countries. But the what is not just in the revenue, but the valuation itself and the global reach as well. The UK based fintech companies have created an immense value. For instance, Revolut was valued at $33 billion at its last fundraise, and Wise has a market capitalization of £8 billion. These are not just startups, they are major financial institutions in their own right. Now, let's talk about the most crucial parts. How does this booming industry contribute to the economy? I believe they contribute to the economy in twofold: jobs and growth. The UK fintech industry is a major employment engine that the same City of London reports state that it supports over 76,000 jobs directly, and when you include the wider supply chains and the spendings of those employees, the total impact rises to over 130,000 jobs. These are high skills, high wage roles in software engineering, data science, and digital marketing, spreading from London to emerging hubs like and Leeds. Now, let's talk about the boosting productivities and exports. The UK fintechs are not just serving domestic markets, they are global exporters of services. Companies like Wise and Oknot are selling the services and software worldwide, bringing valuable foreign income into the UK. They also make our traditional businesses more competitive, providing them with more efficient, cheaper financial tools, and most importantly, fintech drive financial inclusions by offering cheaper international transfers, easier access to credit for small businesses, and budgeting tools built into apps. They are also empowering millions of consumers and businesses who were previously underserved by traditional finance. I believe that the story of the UK fintech is far from over. The rise of open banking and the exploration of central bank digital currency and the relentless pace of AI integrations, the next chapter is being written right here. From a supportive regulatory environment to a flood of venture capital and culture of disruptive thinking, the UK has built a fintech ecosystem that is worth over £20 billion pounds industry that employ tens of thousands and contribute to the economy, and is fundamentally changing how the world interacts with money. It's more than just an industry, it's a testament to British innovation in the 21st century. The UK fintech industry has cemented its role as a global leader, transforming from a disruptive force into cornerstone of modern British economy by generating billions in revenue, creating 10,000s of high-skilled jobs, and championing innovations. It's proof that the future of finance is not just being written, it's been coded right here. Thank you for watching, and be sure to join us for the next episode.